Hello everyone. In my previous video, I made a video on how you can earn money using the Nikki Life app. So Nikki Life app is basically an app where you earn by performing small tasks. The task is like you going live for an hour. Now after going live for an hour, you get paid. Now if you are also lucky, please, Nikki Life is not bingo. You don't do anyhow, okay, on Nikki Life app, because if you do that, they're going to ban your app. You understand? So we don't do that there. So all you have to do is to make friends, get gifters, but without gifters, you can decide to just do your 1 hour task, earn your money, and then that is all. Boom. So once you get 100,000 coins, this 100,000 coins is what you can actually convert to money, and the minimum that you can actually withdraw from that app is 100,000 coins, which is $10. Yes. So if you want to know more about Nikki Life app, please do go to my previous video, okay, and then watch the full video. So if you are concerned about how you can withdraw this money, I also actually talked about it in the same video, that you can actually withdraw this money using your Binance. There are other methods, yes, but I don't know why, for some reasons I prefer to use my Binance to do my withdrawal. So in that video, I actually got some questions of people asking me, okay, I have been able to withdraw this money from my Binance. Then how do I now move this money from my Binance to my bank account, my local bank account? So that is the main reason why I'm making this video this morning, because I'm going to show you all how you can withdraw this money from your Binance to your local bank account. Yeah. So without further ado, guys, let's quickly dive into how you can transfer your money from your Binance to your local bank account. So if today is your first time joining my YouTube channel, you're welcome. And if you know that you are a returning subscriber, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being so supportive. Thank you for the views, thank you for the likes, and thank you for the comments. And please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So hello everyone, this is my Binance account, and I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to withdraw money from your Binance account to your Nigerian bank account. So when you open your Binance, you're going to see market, you're going to see Square, and you're also going to see this yellow envelope here, and you're also going to see Discover, and you're also going to see your portfolio. Right now, what we are going to do is that we want to withdraw. So what you are going to do is you have to click on this yellow portfolio, and once you click on this yellow portfolio, you're going to see buy crypto with Nigeria, sell crypto to Nigeria, convert, which is you have to exchange one coin for another with zero fee, and then deposit. So but what we want to do is that we want to withdraw this USDT to a Nigeria bank account. So you click on sell. Now when you click on sell, you click on USDT. So they are going to be asked how much you want to sell. Now you see I want to sell. How much do you want to sell? So you're going to see sell USDT. I want to sell. So you will click on the amount that you want to sell. So what I actually have here is 13 USDT. So I'm going to click on 13 USDT, and then I'll click on sell. So you click here, sell. Now you're going to see select receive method. Okay. Now you're going to see P2P trading. Let me show you where you're going to see that. Now that place is where you're actually going to see your bank account at which you're going to transfer the money to. Now the amount you're going to get for 13 USDT is 14,910 naira. Okay. Now if you want to transfer to your OP account, you have to come to this place and then choose your OP account that you want the money to go into. Now but now we are doing our bank account. So what you have to do is that you refresh price. Now in the next 43 seconds you click on confirm. Okay, here it is saying please select payment method. All right, so you come to this place, and now this is where you're going to input your bank account. Let's go back. Now to add your bank account to your USDT, click here. Okay, now once you click on this second place, you'll be asked to put your bank account. Let's add our bank account. So
Please make sure that the account number you're imputing is correct.
Then click on confirm.
For you to protect your Binance, you have to make sure that you have a security verification process. So for me, I used like three, I used code, I used everything because I need to guide my money. All right. So what do? I click on this pass key because I want to go and get my pass key. So I have basically added my bank account number where I want my money to be paid into. Okay, let's go to confirm. Now you click on confirm. They say wait for the buyer to transfer the funds to your account. After receiving the funds, tap payment receive. Okay, so please do not tap payment receive until you are sure that this money have entered into your bank account. Do not click on payment receive until you are sure that this money have entered into your bank account. Now this USDT was sold at 1 USDT for 1148. So if you 1148, that is at the price this was sold for 1 USDT. So how do you know that? Let me show you guys. So look at it here. Are you seeing it? So this is at the price that this USDT was sold. So I'm actually waiting for this person to transfer the money. They said never release cryptocurrency before actually receiving the payment. Do not trust anyone who asks you to release crypto before the payment. Please check your bank account carefully and make sure you have received full amount. Users should not pay or accept payment from third party. Immediately report Binance if you detect scammers. I understand. We're actually waiting for us to receive our payment, and if we don't receive our payment, we are not going to click on payment received. All right, guys, I just got a message now, so let's check the message I got from my UBA. This is the money, 14,914 naira. So what I will have to do is that I have to go to my mobile app to also check if I actually got this money. So I'm not going to click on payment receive until I go to my bank account to confirm this transaction. Because of most times we always have issues of fake alerts. So once I receive the alert of the transfer from the buyer, I still have to go to my mobile app to check my mobile app to confirm this. Please do not be in a haste to confirm payment. No, be cautious when verifying the payment receipt. Do not trust screenshots provided by the buyer. Do not trust anyone who claims to be from Binance customer support. Do not proceed without first confirming the payment. You're going to receive an OTP, okay, from Binance. Now I have gotten this payment. This is a message up here. Now look at this person. He sent me a message that he have made payment. So because I have checked everything and I have gotten the alert, I have gotten the SMS, and click on receive payment. Okay. So once you click on this, once you click on this, that means that you're telling Binance that I have gotten this payment, so people can go ahead and release this Binance to the person. So now I want to still go back to my mobile app to also reconfirm that this money is in my mobile app. On payment received. So you come to this place and click on I have received and verified the payment. Please, if you have not received and verified the payment, do not click that page. Just click on I have not received payment from the buyer. But if you know that you have done that, just click on this second one. I have received and verified the payment. So once you do that, click on confirm. Now, once you click on confirm release, you're going to use your security verification method, whatever it is, to make sure that you complete this transaction. All right, look at it. Wow, So successfully sold 12.99 USDT. So this is basically how you can withdraw from your Binance to your local bank account. I hope you enjoyed this video.